Tactile indicators play a crucial role in safety and accessibility. Here are 5 key reasons why they should be installed in public spaces across Australia. Reason 1. Safety first. Tactile indicators help to prevent trips, falls, and accidents by warning people of hazards like stairs, curbs, road crossings, and train platforms, reducing potential risks to pedestrians. Reason 2. Accessibility for all. Tactile indicators guide individuals who are visually impaired, promoting independent movement and ensuring legal access to public spaces. Reason 3. It's the law. In Australia, tactile indicators are mandatory to ensure public spaces are accessible to everyone. They are required under Australian standards and the Disability Discrimination Act to support accessibility and compliance. Reason 4. Workplace safety. Tactile indicators guide workers safely in high-risk areas, reducing accidents and liability while ensuring compliance with OH and AS regulations, promoting a safer workplace environment. Reason 5. Cost-effective safety solution. Tactile indicators are a cost-effective safety solution that require minimal maintenance. The small initial investment helps prevent costly accidents, legal issues, and offering long-term safety benefits. These are just a few reasons why tactile indicators should be installed. Contact us today on 1300 049 246 or shop our wide range online